Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we're going to be learning how to fix ChatGPT access denied problem. So let's get started. First you need to head over to your settings from your browser. So as you can see we have settings in here. Head over to your settings and in here you're going to be searching for cookies. Scroll a little bit down and here as you can see we have this option to manage and delete cookies. Click on that and in here you're going to be selecting this option which is saying see all cookies. Here in the search field you need to search for OpenAI and drop down this and you're going to be deleting all these cookies, and that's going to be fixing your problem. But let's say if still your problem is not fixed, you can just download a VPN, like for example Hotspot Shield, and enable your VPN. So after connecting your VPN you'll be able to see that your ChatGPT will be working. So that's a pretty simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.